going on guys? Another watch, another day. Ay, mali pala. What's going on guys? Welcome. Napaka-busy natin ngayong araw. We're preparing for our grand opening and anniversary celebration. So, sa day 1 natin, which is November 7, magkakaroon tayo ng 1,000 pesos off regular price shoes. Except yung baby shoes, but on the regular shoes, naka-sale na yan. 1,000 pesos off. And then, here, as you can see, mystery shoebox for only 2,995. Nandito sa likod natin, pero medyo nakakalat pa, marami pa tayo lalabas. But for now, ito, lahat to, 2,995 only. Sample lang ka kayo. Sample lang ka kayo. Ano to? Ano sapatos to? Uy, Jordan 1 high. Last one. Uy, Jordan 1 low black toe. We're selling this for 9,995. But 2,995 na lang. Ang catch is, kung makakuha nyo siya kasi mystery box siya. And then on November 9, meron tayo Pop Mart Toy Steal. More than 50% off. Meron pa yung iba free. So, you know, catch us. And then, marami nagtatanong nito. Meron kayong 3 shots, 1 practice shot. If you make all 3 shots, meron kayong free prizes. For example, pwede kayong mamili sa mga mystery box natin. Example lang ngayon, marami pa tayong ibang options. Sa November 10. So, possible siya. Samplean ko kayo. Ay! Ay! Ulit. So, possible siya. Samplean ko kayo, ha? Three shots, 3 made shots in a row. Makakuha kayo ng libre ha. D2,995, libre. And then on our last day, November 11th, which is our doorbusters deal. Sobrang steal, as low as, I don't know, 1,000 pesos para sa shoes. Can't go wrong with that. So, ano pa hinahantay nyo? Visit us, celebrate with us, have fun with us, shop with us. See you.